How to add product carousel to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to add a product carousel to your Shopify page. Now, all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you only need to sign in for your account. After you have signed in to the account, you're going simply to visit right here at the left side menu, the online store. So go ahead and visit the online store, then select the theme. Once you are on the themes, you're going to see here the theme that you are going to work on. But before we are going to work on the theme, I highly recommend to you to set up your products right. So you are going to click on products, then you are going to add manually the product that you want. For example, you can import them on bulk or you can add the product manually. Here we have the add in product section. You're going to put the title here, for example, shirt. For the description, you're going to detail a little bit here the description or the characteristic material about that specific shirt or any of the product. Then you are going to put here the media. The media are the image, videos, and 3D models that are available for that specific item. So for the categories, you're going to set up the category because this is the most important thing here for the SEO friendly and everything. The pricing, go ahead and put the price. For example, you can put a comparison to a price for the marketing purposes. Also, we have here the inventory. You're going to track your quantity right there because you need that. You don't want to let the customers buy a product that has been gone or sell out or something like that. You're going to put here a quantity, for example, and you're going to let it like that. So for the shipping, you are going to put the weight. For example, here we have a t-shirt of 0.2 kilogram, which is 200 grams. Here we have the category meta field. So when you finish everything, you are going to click on save. Don't forget to add the images and etc. So let's go back to the products. Here we have, or we can see the products right away here. So make sure to add the images and illustrations and etc. because these are very necessary to make everything works well. So now let's go ahead to the online store. We are on the themes. So we have currently the Dawn theme working on. So we are going to click on customize. Then it will load up the theme. Now all we need to do is to head over a product page. How we can do that? Easy. So we are going to wait for the theme to load up. Then we are going to see here the home page. So we are going to refresh to be able to see this specific home page. As you can see right here, we have the home page. We are going to click on it. Then we are going simply to select product. Then after that, we have the stored one, which is the default product or the default template. We are going to select that default template. It will showcase right here a random product, but you can go ahead and change this product. But this product page is generic or universal for all of your product pages. So if you want to change the preview, you're going to click on change, then go ahead and select something else. For example, I will choose this watch, or I can go ahead and change it to see something else. For example, a t-shirt. Let's go ahead and add or see this specific t-shirt. Here we have the t-shirt, we have the description and everything. So now how we can add this carousel? Simple. We are going to see here the proportion of this page divided. We have the header, which is this part. We have the template, which is this middle part, which contain everything. And we have the footer. Here we have the footer, which is at the end. So we are going to work right here with the template. We are going to scroll down a little bit within the elements here. Then we are going to add a section. So go ahead and click on add section at the end of the template. And here we have some sections. We are going to see here a lot of options. We have featured collection, featured product, and collection list, and etc. So right here, we are going simply to see here whatever suits you well. In my case, you can go ahead, for example, and put, let's say here, a slideshow for product. Or you can add, for example, a collection list or a featured collection. So I'm going to add a featured collection. Then we are going to wait for it. So as you can see here, we have the featured collection. We have the parameters right here of it. We have label, which is named featured collection. So I'm going to delete that to let you see how it works. We have the heading size. You can go ahead and put it small like this. This is more suitable. You can add a description, and also you can show the collection description from the admin. So for the description style, we have body, subtitle, uppercase, and etc. So let it here body. For the collection, you're going to put, for example, here, you're going to select the collection. Here, you can go ahead and create a collection. I'm going to create a collection with multiple products to let you see here how we can work with this. So I'm going simply to put, for example, a collection. So we are going to browse the products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example, 9, 10. I'm going to add all of these products. Now here for the description, I will let it, or the title, I'm going to put here Jack's collection. And boom. Now I'm going to click on save. Here we have added our collection. I'm going to exit the page. Now, as you can see, we have the collection. So I'm going to select my collection. We should right away here refresh the specific page. We're going to wait for the new collection to be appearing. And the carousel here is the slider to be sliding here to the left and to the right. So you are going to see a lot of products. This is the carousel. So here we have it. Now, this is not the case, but we are going to see here. I didn't save, so we are going to add it right now. Here we have it. I'm going to click on it, select here the Jack's collection. Click on here, save. Now all we need to do is to show, for example, max at, let's say 10. You can see here that we are going to put it right away. So for the number on the desktop, you can go ahead and augment it like this. You can make the product full width, or you can put it like this. So you are going to click on enable carousel on desktop, and here we have the carousel. So here we have the carousel. As you can see, we are sliding, and boom, here we have it. You can set right here different parameters on the menu or the settings here. Go ahead and put or modify the layout of it, or modify the styles of it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.